Ever wondered how the winds of change can reshape the political landscape of a nation? Well, it appears Zimbabwe is on the brink of such change. Welcome to the news update. Our main focus today is on two prominent figures in Zimbabwe's political arena, Amos Chibaya and Ostallos Nezve. These two distinguished individuals were recently spotted in Matabeleland, a region known for its rich cultural heritage and resilient spirit. Now, what's intriguing about this visit is the hint that Amos Chibaya dropped. He suggested that the nation should prepare for fresh elections. Yes, you heard that right. Fresh elections may be on the horizon. This is indeed a significant development, and one that could potentially alter the political dynamics of Zimbabwe. But that's not all. Chibaya and Nezve aren't just visiting Matabeleland for its breathtaking landscapes. They are in the process of forming a new movement. A movement that is set to be led by none other than Nelson Chamisa. Nelson Chamisa, a name that has been at the forefront of Zimbabwe's politics for years, is once again making headlines. If this new movement comes to fruition, it could mean a whole new chapter in Zimbabwe's political narrative. In summary, here's what we know so far. Amos Chibaya and Ostallos Nezve were recently in Matabeleland. Chibaya hinted at the possibility of upcoming elections. Moreover, they are forming a new movement, potentially under the leadership of Nelson Chamisa. It's an exciting time in Zimbabwe as we may be witnessing the dawn of a new political era. As the story develops, we'll be sure to bring you the latest updates. Stay tuned and stay informed.